Chug Jug, for the ones who aren't legendary. Begin with melon syrup, vanilla syrup, lime juice, and coconut cream. Finally top with blue fruit punch. 15 seconds of deliciousness. The Tilted Towers, for the ones who haven't played Season 21 yet. Begin with a shot of orange juice, a shot of Red Bull, Sprite, then balance the towers, dropping into the best location. The Mini Shield, for the Fortnite kids. Begin with Amaretti's Premium Blue Carousel Syrup, Blue Fruit Punch, Coconut Cream, then add bubblegum soda, and blueberry syrup. Love it or hate it, it's one of the biggest games ever made. Guzzle Juice, for the ones with age restrictions. Begin with mango puree, pineapple juice, and lime juice. Finally top with green apple soda. Bring it back out of the vault. The Chili Chug Splash, for the ones on zero build. Start with flaming hot Mountain Dew, orange juice, and blue raspberry Gatorade. The Fortnite drinks are finally over.